Alright everyone, it's a new day. I wasn't gonna film this, but it is that bad. I'm gonna have to remove the header. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. I figured this is a big enough job, I should probably bring y'all with me and show you how to remove a header and O2 from an RX-8, because I know I haven't seen very many videos of everyone doing it, so it's probably gonna be a question at some point in time for someone. So I figured I'd try to help. Figured I'd bring it with. So stay tuned. Let's see what I can get done today. Hopefully a lot. I doubt it. I've been working on this for days. Catch you in a second. Alright guys, just got everything jacked up. Not too bad. Not a lot of room, but what are you gonna do? Next, we need to run over tools. Get to, this guy right here, just our motor mount. Need to pull this off right here, and then we need to, from there, well, I need to still jack up the block too, so need to do that. There is a little, ow, slam my thumb, this little cover right here, this little guy just slips right off, which is convenient. Just covers everything up. I found a little bit more issues here. Things kind of falling apart and weathered, but that's okay. I'm thinking about getting coilovers eventually anyways. So yeah, it was a start to a project car, drift car, so it's kind of cool. But we'll see how things go. I'll keep you updated. As you can see, I don't know if you can see all the way in here or not, but that is the header just sitting right there, so it's not too hard to get to. Just hope that I don't destroy the gasket. But we'll see how things go. Catch you all in a second. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys a little more here. So these are the brackets and everything that need to be undone for the motor mount right here, right there, on top here, and back there. Just need to undo all that to be able to remove the mount. And then, of course, there's the header and all that. So that's for the air injection for the cat that's bolted back there. I'm gonna keep that for a while because I have to still have a cat. So let me show you why I have to take the header off. If you want to scoot under here with me. So right here, this is our header, and up in this guy, I don't know if I can show you that right here. That is the O2 that is chewed up. As you can see, it was almost there, but not quite. And as you can see, that bolt is rounded. Now, if you can tell, I don't have much room, so I can't get the socket on there like you would normally on something like this guy. This is the MagnaFlow, by the way. It's nice and pretty. But yeah, I've tried everything. It's not coming out, so I'm gonna have to drop the header. All the forums and everything I've read says that you have to at least get it loose. I've got the new O2 ready to go right here, which is nice. It's plugged in and everything, just need to get it in there. But we have to tackle this guy. It's a little tight under here, but this, like the cross member and everything, needs to come off as well to do it. Need to do that. Need to, of course, unbolt it from the flange right here. Now, I'm gonna try to reuse the stock manifold gasket. I hope it's good. I think it should be good still, but we'll see. I really didn't want to do this, but I'm gonna have to. And again, I don't have like a normal floor jack, so I'm gonna have to use a normal jack stand to hold this guy up. Hopefully I don't damage anything. I've got some blocks I'm gonna put on it. There's a whole bunch of Eclipse parts. I don't know if anyone has a 4th gen Eclipse that wants parts. Alright, back here again. So, for the biggest guy back there, you're going to want to use a 11/16. And then for the smaller guys, like this guy here, up here, and down over here, them's gonna be 9/16. And I think on the header, honestly, I think it's 10. I'm gonna have to double check, but let's just get this guy out of the way first. So that's what you'll need for that. Let's go ahead and start cranking away on that stuff. I'm just still gonna spray some PB Blaster really quick just to loosen everything up. There is also still a mount under, where'd it go? Where did it go? Somewhere under here. There's another mount. I don't think so. I'm crazy. Just need to get this off. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Cool. Yeah, let's start spraying some stuff down. Hold on. Alright, so totally just filmed the whole thing and realized I hadn't pressed play. Awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna go over this again. So everything under here, I totally believe that RX-8s now just have an unlimited supply of horrible nuts and bolts that are just broken and trash. So if you notice, my cross member is still on here attached. I got everyone off except for one down there on that side that just keeps spinning and spinning. So I'm just gonna say that I'm screwed with this car, but so I would move it out of the way like so, but the bolt here is stopping it, as you see, on both ends, so I can't go any further. I believe I can pull it down far enough to get the header out, but we'll see how it goes. Time to start undoing the motor mount, I guess. So I'll see you guys shortly. In a moment. Dying. Alright, so we're at the mount now, and the brake line's in the way. It's still a bit difficult to get to the nut. So from what I have learned and looked into, this guy's mushy, of course. So you want to break this free first before you start breaking that stuff off, because I guess all the play makes it a pain in the ass. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to break it free. Alright, so I got some bros with me. This thing has been a pain in the ass. Breaking bolts, everything else you can think of. Had to get a long boy here and a little bit of this. An ungodly mixture of shit. Right? Yeah. I got some pals with me. Yeah, that's what's good. That's what's good. You know this guy. You know Dylan here. Okay. You had to, so I did have to go from the top to come down to break these free, which we finally got them. I only stripped it a little bit, so it's okay. Right now we're trying to get back here so I can break that bolt free, then you go underneath and break the rest of it. Honestly, this boy is still there. I'm gonna have to break that, but I'll update as it comes. We should be able to pull this thing out. All right, it's been hours. It's nighttime almost, and I've been here since early this morning tearing this thing apart. But so I got the bolts finally for the air pump to the cat to cool the cat when started when it's burning hot. But right here is the pump to it that I now need to get off because the hose is in the way and I can't pop it out to get to the rest of the bolts to drop it. And this little guy here is stuck and I can't get him out, so I'm trying everything I can.
Just sit on it, wiggle it a little bit.
There's Dylan. This is my only little bitty 10 that I have, so I'm doing that. I've got a whole bunch of wobblies to get through the job. If there's one thing that I've learned about the RX-8 so far, is everything is in the worst spot possible. Every bolt is non-existent, and you'll hurt yourself the entire time. Nothing is easy. Like, literally, so the brake line to get to one of the bolts would be easily put somewhere else, but it's right where it shouldn't be to get to the bolt. I think they're doing this on purpose. But I'm going to continue at it. Hopefully I can get the header off tonight. If not, I'll start at another time. But catch you in a minute. Alright, this project has proven to be a lot harder than it should be. So I had to take the whole box out for the pump, including the hose for it right here. Just to get down in here, there was a bolt right here. I had to remove this because that is attached to the header and I can't back it off far enough to do it. Luckily, the gasket for it looks fairly decent, but now Ugh. Ow. I'm bleeding everywhere. It's okay. Probably can't see in here. No, you can't. Hold on. Let me get some light for you. Can I get some light? Alright, so back in there, right there where those hoses there, yeah. That's where that pipe came through. That is the air pump for the header for the cat to cool it down. Now I need to get to that last bolt in the corner there, hopefully, and then I need to get to the two under here, which I think I should be able to get to from underneath the car. But that's about it, and then it's gonna come out. Alright guys, it's really late. Really late, and there was a lot more I needed to do that I didn't fill you in on. Nothing major, just really unbolting like the cat from the header. I finally got out, and now we can finally try to get this O2 off. I'll do that tomorrow. Once I get the new O2 in, I'll fill everyone in. Holiday new day.